Hello girls, now today we will revise our chapter 1 Computer Network. Computer network is the collection of group of computers and peripheral devices which are connected together to share hardware and software resources. Advantages we can say sharing of data, sharing of hardware and software resources, less paper use. We easily can transfer data from one place to another place within short period. These are the advantages. Network components. Server is the powerful computer in a network where we attach all the hardware and install the software. Client is the computer that is connected to the main computer, and when it needed any kind of services it requests to the server, and server provide relevant request their services to the client computer. You can see this structure. Network work in this same manner. In the network, computer works in the same manner. Network card is embedded in the CPU, inside the CPU. That helps the device to connect within a network. When our mobile, when our computer that is connected within a network, we are using the internet, so it assigns one IP address to the device that is called IP address. Hub and switch just like a setup box. Hub and switch are just like the setup box, where if we have to connect more than two devices within a network, then we use switch to connect multiple devices at network. Next thing we will see about the topology. Topology refers to the way in which the nodes of a network are connected together. It refers to a physical design of a network. Bus topology. All the computers and devices are connected to a single cable. If network is interrupted, then complete setup will be disturbed. Ring topology. It is connected within a ring. It just forms, computers are connected to form a circle. That's why this is called ring topology. In this topology there is no server computer, and if any of the device may be interrupted, we simply can remove and continue working. Star topology. In star topology, it follows the client-server architecture. The network are linked together directly. The computers are not linked together directly to each computer. It can communicate only through the host computer, that is called a hub. Multiple computers are connected to a host computer. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, all computers are connected with each other. They easily can communicate with each other without any connection. There is one drawback, that it needed lots of wires to establish this kind of network. Mesh topology is a type of network where all the nodes cooperate to distribute data among each other. Tree topology. Tree topology is a special type of structure in which many connected elements are arranged like a branches of tree. This type of setup is used to connect multiple nodes in a network. We will know about one more types of topology, that is called a hybrid topology, where we can attach different types of topology in a single network. Using this type of topology, we can establish a big network, but the only one drawback, that if the service is interrupted, if the network is shut down due to any fault, we have to check entire setup. That is rather difficult.